Want to help your colleagues manage content and collaboration in a familiar way? As a system administrator, you can create workspaces to mimic your organizational setup. For example, you can create a workspace to represent a department, a line of business, a project, or any other type of grouping within your organization. This allows you to better manage your content while keeping it secure, as only users who need the content will be able to access it. You can assign users as workspace administrators so that they can create and organize folders and edit or delete files. You can also assign the workspace administrator role to an entire team. All changes are auto-saved. Next, you can add content to the workspace. On the Files page, you can create new folders as required. Now you can navigate to the files you want to add to the workspace and copy them to the appropriate folder. When you navigate back to the workspace, you can see the copied content, which any user who belongs to the workspace now has access to. If you remove a team that's assigned to a workspace, all users on that team will no longer have access to the content. You can also remove a workspace administrator, which means that the user will no longer be able to add, move, or delete files in the workspace. And you can delete the entire workspace, which means that all the contents of the workspace will be permanently deleted. Be careful here, as you won't be able to recover it. For more details on how to create and manage workspaces, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.